Stay Gurubiya Namaga children. Today we are going to see perimeter and area exercise 16.2. First question. Find the perimeter and area of each of the following figures. Okay. In this second one we are going to see the figures 30 millimeter, 50 millimeter, 30 millimeter and 60 millimeter, and this side is not given. Okay. So we need to find out this side. Why we need to find, children? Because perimeter means the distance around the closed figure. We need to add all the sides of the figure, then only we will get the perimeter. So these two sides is missing. That first we need to find out. Okay, children? See here, how do you find this? I'm going to connect this. If we connect this, what shape I'm getting? Is this rectangle? Okay. So rectangle means opposite sides are equal. So 50 millimeter, and this is 30 means this also 30 millimeter, and here this 30 and this is also 30 millimeter. Now I want to find this side. Okay. And the total length is, this is also a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. This 60 means this also 60 only. But here till this 30 means here remaining 30. 60 minus 30. How you are getting? 60 minus 30 you are getting 30 millimeter. Now here the total length is this whole distance we need to find. So 30 plus 50 you get 80 millimeter. Now find the perimeter. So perimeter equal to sum of all sides. Now you add all the sides. First, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 sides are there. Okay. The first side 30, second side 30, third side 50, fourth side 30, fifth side 80, sixth side 60. Okay. Now you add this. Unit digit is 0, so put it 0. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. So 280 millimeter. So this is the perimeter of the figure. Next we need to find out the area. So area equal to, see here, in this we divided into two rectangles. Okay. So this is first rectangle, this is second rectangle. So we need to find out the area. This portions we need to find out. Okay. This area you want to find. So this area is contained two rectangles. So we need to add the area of the two rectangles. Okay. So area of a rectangle, what is the formula, children? L into B. Okay. So area of the given figure equal to area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. Area of a rectangle, what is the formula, children? L into B. Okay. So here L 30 into 60. First rectangle 30 into 60 plus second rectangle 50 into 30. Multiply 3 6 are 18, 1800 plus 5 3s are 15, 1500. When we add this, what you will get? 3300 millimeter square. So area equal to area equal to 3300 millimeter square. Do you understand, children? Perimeter equal to 280 millimeter and area equal to 3300 millimeter square. Do you understand? See the next one. Second one, solve the following. One second. Solve the following. Okay. Find the perimeter and area of a square of side 8 centimeter. Okay. Here, what shape is given here, children? Square. Okay. The side of a square is 8 centimeter. In square, all the sides are equal. So, we need to find out perimeter and area. Okay. We know that perimeter of a square equal to perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side units. Okay. So, 4 into, here the side length is 8. So, 4 8s are 32 centimeter. So, perimeter equal to 32 centimeter. Next, we need to find out the area. So, area of a square equal to side into side square unit. Okay. Here side into side square unit. Here the length of the side is 8. So 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64 centimeter square. So area equal to 64 centimeter square. You understand, children? See the next one. If the length of a rectangle is 9 centimeter and its breadth is 5 centimeter, then find its area. So what is given? Length and breadth is given. We need to find out area of the rectangle. Okay, check this. Here the length is 9 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter. We need to find out the area. This one we need to find. Okay. So area of a rectangle equal to L into B square units. L represent length, B represent breadth. Okay. So here length value 9 into 5. So 9 5s are 45 centimeter square. So therefore area of a rectangle equal to 45 centimeter square. You understand, children? See the next one. If the perimeter of a square is 80 meter, find its side and its area. So what is given, children? Perimeter of a square is given and we need to find out the side of a square as well as the area. Okay. So perimeter of a square equal to 80 meter. Okay. So perimeter of a square, what is the formula, children? 4 into side. 4 into side equal to 80 meter. So side equal to 80 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 0. Okay. So side equal to 20 meter. Next we need to find out area. So area of a square equal to, what is the formula, children? Side into side, square unit. Very good. Okay, here the length of the side is 20, 20 into 20. So 2 twos are 4, 2 zeros, 400 meter square. So area of a square equal to 400 meter square. You understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. The area of a rectangle with a breadth is 5 centimeter. With breadth 5 centimeter is 30 square centimeter. It represents breadth is 5 centimeter, area of a rectangle is 30 centimeter. Okay, so we need to find its perimeter and find its length and perimeter. Okay, see the question, children. I will repeat this. The area of a rectangle with breadth 5 centimeter is 30 square centimeter. So area is given. Area is 30 square centimeter. Breadth is 5 centimeter. Find its length and perimeter. So we need to find out length of the rectangle as well as perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. So area of a rectangle equal to 30 centimeter. Square centimeter means 30 centimeter square. Breadth equal to 5 centimeter. So we are going to find length as well as perimeter. First, length equal to area divided by breadth. So area 30 by 5. By 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So 6 centimeter. Length equal to 6 centimeter. Next we need to find out the perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle equal to what is the formula, children? 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length is 6, breadth is 5 centimeter. So 2 into 6 plus 5, 11. 2 11s are 22 centimeter. So therefore perimeter of a rectangle equal to 22 centimeter. You understand, children? See the next one. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 meter. Breadth is 30 meter. Find its length and area. In previous question, area and breadth is given. They asked to find length and perimeter. And in this, perimeter and breadth is given. We need to find out length and area. Okay. So, perimeter of a rectangle equal to perimeter of a a rectangle equal to 130 meter. Breadth equal to 30 meter. Okay, so what is the formula, children? Perimeter of a rectangle 2 into L plus B equal to 130. Okay, in this you substitute 2 into L plus B value 30 equal to 130. So L plus 30 equal to 130 divided by 2, because multiplications will change division. So when we divide this, what you will get? 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, and remaining 1 10, 5 2s are 10. Now L equal to 65 minus 30, because addition will change, other side subtraction. So 65 minus 30, what you will get? 35. So length equal to 35 meter. Next we need to find out area. So area of a rectangle equal to what is the formula, children? Length into breadth square units. Here length 35, breadth is 30. Multiply with the 3. Here 0 you just write as it is. 3 5s are 15, 5 remaining 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. So 1050 meter square. So area of a rectangle equal to 1050 meter square. You understand, children? See the next one. If the area of a rectangle is 1 meter square, area of a rectangle is 1 meter square and its breadth is 80 centimeter, find its length. Find its length. Okay. See here, area of a rectangle and breadth is given. We need to find out length. Okay. Before finding this, we need to see the unit, children. See here, area is given in meter square, but centimeter is given in, breadth is given in centimeter. Okay. First you want to change this. Okay. So 1 meter square equal to how many centimeter, children? We are going to convert into centimeter square. Okay. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. But 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Okay. So area of a rectangle equal to 1 meter square. This one I am converted into centimeter square. So 10,000 centimeter square. Next, breadth equal to 80 centimeter. Okay. Now substitute the formula L into B. Area of a rectangle, L into B equal to 10,000. L into B value 80 equal to 10,000. L equal to 10,000 by 80, because multiplications will change other side, division. 0 0 cancel, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 0 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, remaining 1 10, 2 4s are 8, remaining 2, 5 4s are 20. So length equal to 125 centimeter. Length equal to 125 centimeter. Do you understand, children? See the next one. Areas of a square and a rectangle are same. Areas of a square and a rectangles are the same. The perimeter of the square is 80 centimeter. If the length of the rectangle is 25 centimeter, find its breadth and perimeter. Find its breadth and perimeter. Okay, children. See here. So what is the condition is given here? Area of a square equal to area of a rectangle. So it is given in the condition. Okay. So next they given perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square equal to square equal to 80 centimeter. What is the formula, children? Perimeter of a square 4 into side equal to 80 centimeter. Side equal to 80 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 0. So side equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. And what they said, both the areas are same, they said. Okay. So area of a square equal to area of a rectangle. Let's write the formula here. Area of a square, side into side equal to length into breadth. Okay. In this here, side equal to 20. So 20 into 20 equal to length here 25 into breadth we need to find out. So 20 into 20 will get 400 equal to 25 into B. So we are going to find B. So 400 divided by 25. 25. 5 5s are 25. 8 5s are 40. 0. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Remaining 3 30. 6 5s are 30. So B breadth equal to 16 centimeter. Next we need to find out perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of the rectangle equal to perimeter of the rectangle equal to, what is the formula, children? 2 into L plus B units. 2 into, here length is 25 plus breadth is 16. So 2 into 25 plus 16. 6 plus 5, 11, remaining 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So 41. Multiply this, what you will get? 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 82 centimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle equal to 82 centimeter. You understand, children? Thank you, children.